Hi, this is Abhishek and this is my team member Sudarshini.
Hello.
So we have proposed idea to receive a push notification and text SMS as an alert from incident management system. So currently what happens is every company has incident management system, so where users log in incidents and tickets and they receive and people work on those incidents. However, they have some service level agreement with the clients. So our idea basically is to, as soon as an incident is raised, the group which is working on that incident should be notified immediately. So in most of the system, what happens is they receive email and service desk who is actually raising the incidents, they call them, but sometimes when they call them, the mobile is not reachable, and so it takes time to notify them about incidents. So during this time, they might miss service level agreements which is there with the client. So if they receive text SMS or push notifications, so they can be notified immediately. So what we have done here is we have created one Bluemix app. Actually, this application will be running as a service on a particular server, which will accept a request in the form of probably a generic email ID will be there, which can receive an email from an incident management system, or it can receive input in the form of XMLs, JSON data, any kind of input. Once we receive that input, we will process that input, and that we will call from our application, we will call the IBM's Alert API, which is currently available on Bluemix as a service for use. So we will use that API and we will notify users about the incidents. So for example, for demo purpose, we have created a UI for this. Can you please come closer? So let's say I am typing that this is my ticket number, and then application name, let's say global quality assurance, and severity is critical. Is down. Yes or no. To log in. And if I click on alert me, as soon as I click on alert me, this application will take this data as an input and it will call IBM Alert API and it will send notification to users. So now I have received two SMS notifications in my mobile, as you can see over here. This is an email input. And if I click on this, you can see IBM Alert notification from Alert Me Now mobile app, and here you can see the data which I had entered on the UI. Something like this. And same thing will be replicated in the message. So this is what basically our idea is. So we can run this application as a service on a server, and again in IBM Alert or Notification API, we have many other functionalities, such as we can notify which all group are the group members, at what are their working hours, and during that working hours how should they receive the notification, whether it should be in the form of email, SMS or invoice, and if they are not if they are not working during a particular period, then how they should be notified, whether they should be notified. So we can actually decide the different notification policies in using IBM Alert notifications. So that's all our idea is. The way it can be helpful for other application system is because it notifies immediately as soon as the incidents are raised. So user can be aware of the incidents, and they can come online, and they can work on the incidents and tickets. So that's it. Thank you.